Hello everyone, get ready to transform your fireplace into a magical Christmas centerpiece. From garlands and stocking to fairy lights and rustic charm, this video brings you beautiful and cozy fireplace decoration ideas for the holidays. Perfect for winter nights, hot cocoa, and unforgettable memories. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into the heart of holiday coziness. The fireplace, nothing says Christmas warmth quite like a beautifully decorated mantle and a cracking fire. So, grab a cup of cocoa and let's explore cozy fireplace decoration ideas that will make your space feel like holiday. First of all, classic Christmas mantle. Start with timeless charm, hang plush red and white stocking and fresh pine garlands, and top it off with glowing candles. A few ornaments and ribbon can add sparkle without overdoing it. And don't forget, a large wreath above the mantle brings in all together beautifully. So, next is rustic farmhouse feel. Love the cozy cabin vibe. Use wooden signs, buffalo plaid accent, and natural elements like pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and burlap garlands, and a few lanterns with warm tone LED candles for that rustic glow. Twinkle light magic. Fairy lights are a game changer. Wrap them around your garland, across the mantle, or even inside clear vases. Mix them with silver and gold ornaments to give your fireplace a gentle, sparkling glow. Perfect for snowy nights and cozy movie marathons. Personalized stocking setup. Create a special moment for each family member by hanging personalized stocking. Add a small tag, initial or photos. Surround the area with wrapped gifts, mini nutcrackers, and soft throw blankets nearby, perfect for chilly evening. Minimalist and modern touch. Prefer a clean look. Go with a natural palette, whites of grays and greenery. Add geometric candles, metallic accent pieces, and a few natural branches. It's sleek, elegant and still very festive. Now turn woodland wonderland. Transform your fireplace into a magical forest. Use fog snow, wooden trees, owls and reindeer figurines, and garlands made of berries. A glowing lantern or two add the soft woodland.